Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Matic from Kraken to Revolut in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets smoothly between exchanges and banking apps, this guide is perfect for you. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any headaches. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Revolut. You'll need some Matic in your Kraken wallet, and Revolut should support Matic transfers. Double check that in their app since crypto options can change. For 2025, Revolut has expanded its crypto features, so it's easier than ever. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and find your Matic balance. Click on Withdraw next to Matic. You'll see a form pop up. Enter the amount you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Step 2. Get your Revolut wallet address. Open the Revolut app, go to the crypto section and select Matic. Tap on Receive to generate a wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos. Step 3. Back on Kraken, paste the Revolut wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double check that it's for the Polygon network, as Matic uses that. Select the network if prompted, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Step 4. Wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your Matic balance update. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses to prevent losses from hacks or errors. Also, be aware of any tax implications or Revolut's holding periods for crypto. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you send Matic from Kraken to Revolut in 2025. It's a game changer for managing your crypto portfolio. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.